Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Dana, and this channel is all about growing your online business and having more time to spend doing whatever you want. So something you probably didn't know about me is I quit my job the beginning of 2021 to focus full-time on my digital product business. Now I sell on multiple marketplaces, but one of the things that I absolutely love about selling digital products is that you make money while you're sleeping. Oftentimes I wake up in the morning and I've had several sales overnight, and I just made that product one time and bam, I had this money just keep rolling in. So I love it because passive income gives me the freedom to do whatever I want to. And so what I choose to do a lot, you can see by my dirty nails, is that I like to work with plants. So that's what I choose to do, and also take naps with my cat. So in this video, I'm going to go over the top 5 digital products I think you should be looking into and getting started with for 2021. Whether you want to sell on Etsy or on your own website or on some other marketplace that you like, whether that's Teachers Pay Teachers or Sendow, I want to give you what's trending right now. We're going to hop into eRank, and I'm not going to show my face because oftentimes I find that my face is in the way. So I'm going to hop on over to eRank. Now eRank is specifically for Etsy. However, I really do think it helps find the trends of what's popular right now, what's being searched. It really gives you good ideas on what is being highly searched and what's low in competition. So that's what we really want to see. So let's hop on over to that and let's get started. So first digital product I want to mention is social media templates. Now that's pretty vague. So when I search this up with the keyword ideas, we're going to look on eRank to see kind of what the summary is and the competition is. So this doesn't really give us a ton, although I do really enjoy these charts. As you can see, it gives you the 2 different years comparison, and then the market trends I really love. You can see if it's trending on Pinterest, and on Etsy and Google Shopping, Amazon, eBay. Obviously, these are digital products, which Amazon and eBay doesn't do, and Google Shopping either. So that makes sense why it's only showing up on Etsy and Pinterest. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, we'll see that there are so many different keywords here. And what you want to see is here's a search trend. You can see that this is being highly searched right now. Social media icons. Okay, what you want is to have green all across the board. So you want to have average searches green, average clicks green. Even Etsy competition is the most important, is green. Now, as you can see, you can kind of get ideas on what else is being searched in the social media icon keyword. Now I'm showing you this right here, social media icons, and how this is not green, average click, that's okay. It's still a really good keyword and it's still a really good product, but we're gonna go and analyze it. So let's look at analyze. As you can see here, you can see by country what Etsy searchers are looking for. And you can also see the search trend again here. It's taking a bit to load. And let's actually just scroll down a little bit further. You can see the most popular tags here to your left. So highlight icons, Instagram icons, social icons. So you can see what's really popular right now. Instagram, CLIPART, iOS 14 app icons is really popular right now. So I would definitely look and see and do your market research. Gold icons, as well as gold app icons, these are really being searched well right now. So you can see in the icon social media template world, this is what you should be focusing on. When you scroll all the way down, eRank's cool because it shows you some examples of what the top listings are for social media icons. So this is really neat, kind of give you ideas and inspire you, not to steal, but obviously to see what else you can do and add your own twist and flair to it. I always warn everybody to do their homework and look up at the USPTO trademark database just in case. There are new trademarks coming out all the time, and you do not want to get in trouble for stealing intellectual property. Digital product number 2 is SVG files, which are cut files that a lot of people use. It's a file type for Silhouette, Cricut. Now let's look down, and wow, it's really competitive. You can see that in red.
It's very highly competitive. Even the yellow is not ideal, but it's still better than the red. But you can see here, a unicorn Harry Potter SVG, again, trademarked. I'd stay away from that. Anything Disney. Unicorn SVG is really highly searched. Let's look. Black Lives Matter, class of 2020, Friends. You see my point here. You can get ideas from eRank on what people are searching for. Mermaid SVG, Waymaker, and then Rose. This is a really interesting one. Let's look a little deeper into Rose. Okay, now we're going to analyze the Rose SVG and see, all right, this is what are the most popular tags right now to use, low competition. So we know this. We see Rose clip art. We see Rose bundle SVG is a good keyword and also something to make. Let's scroll down and see what are the top listings for Rose SVG. There are lots of different types, but these are trending right now and definitely something to look into if you enjoy making SVG cut files. Number 3 digital product idea is an ebook template. What's interesting is the market trend here shows for 2020, it was really highly searched on Pinterest. Not as highly searched on Etsy, but Pinterest. So that's interesting. All right, let's scroll down and look and see what type of ebook templates are being sold right now or being searched for. So ebook template and Canva. I love Canva. Canva ebook template, which is basically just flipped around. There's InDesign ebook. There's Canva declutter ebook template. So that's interesting. Real estate ebook template. Let's analyze this Canva ebook and workbook template. Okay, so we can see the like lead magnet template. That's a really good idea. If you are into making lead magnets, you can make a template for someone and sell that. Blogger template. Canva ebook, we saw this one already, Canva. So people are really loving Canva right now. It's easy to use. You can do it for free. They have their free trial. We have a magazine template, course template, business template obviously is popular, but you can see that this is really competitive. Choose other keywords more than those. Here's some example. Here's a yoga workbook. This one's really searched well. That's very interesting, but it's a template and people can just plug and chug their information in, and look, this person was selling it for $15 for their Canva template. So yeah, this is a really good digital product idea. Digital product number 4 is clip art. There's a lot on Etsy and there's a lot on Pinterest. However, I do think that there are some gaps, like unicorn clip art. Obviously, Harry Potter is going to be popular, like I said, stay away. But baby shark clip art, flower stem, hair clip art, you want to find the gaps and fill those in as much as possible because you can actually make a lot of money on selling clip art. You make it one time and sell it over and over again. And there's so many different types of clip art you can make. So I really love that. Let's analyze one of these. We're going to analyze the unicorn clip art. So we see here that if you just type in unicorn, it's highly competitive. But you add clip art to it and there's just not enough. There's just not a lot of people selling it. So I would definitely look into this. Look, you can see what others are selling that are doing well and add your own flair and make it your own and sell something similar. And last but not least, our 5th product idea is a resume template. Now this is really big right now. These are really trending and you can see how popular it is right now. Sorority resume template, professional resume template, modern, teacher resume. So these are really interesting because people just want a template to use. They can plug and chug and make it look nice in Canva, make it their own, but still have a guide to go through, right? All right, let's analyze resume templates. So what I love is that it's pretty, most is searching in the US, but they're searching everywhere, which, puts you in front of a lot more people. And let's look here. Creative resume, that's interesting. Professional resume. Yeah, you can see nurse resume, teacher resume. You can go through these pages and see where the gaps are, but that have low competition and are highly searched, and also get ideas by scrolling all the way down and looking at what others are selling. So, this is the last one, and yeah, I really hope that it's helped.
So there are my top 5 digital product ideas I think that you should look into or get started on if you haven't already. Those are the ones are being highly searched and people are making really good money with right now. You make it one time and you keep selling it over and over again. Now my favorite website to make all my digital products is Canva. Canva is my favorite. I did a video last week on how to make a digital product in Canva. Very easy, very quick, and it'll kind of give you an idea of how you even start with this type of thing if you have never done it before. So be sure to check that out. I'll put that in the link description and I'll also put it up here. Don't forget to please give this video a like and hit subscribe, as it really helps my channel grow. As you can see, I'm brand new and I'm trying. I will see you next week on how to select a niche. Bye guys.